Two cases of scammers pretending to be lawyers in a short span of a few weeks has the Law Society raising the alarm. The scams were committed through dummy email accounts and targeted high-value property transactions to cheat clients into sending them money. Li Liying reports.
An unprecedented situation has prompted the Law Society to call a media conference in bid to warn the public. Scammers pretending to be lawyers. And in these two cases, clients in property transactions were targeted. In the first case, a law firm had emailed its client to pay $300,000 after the property's temporary occupation permit was issued. Unknown to both, a scammer was watching their email exchange and soon began posing as the lawyer. This was done with a dummy email account with an amended domain that looked similar to the lawyer's email address. Using this fake email account, the fraudster asked the client to send funds via a telegraphic transfer. The client proceeded to do so as she felt pressured. This even when the actual lawyer told the client he hadn't sent such emails. Fortunately, the client was able to stop payment in time. For the second case, a law firm sent an email to a client for balance funds to be paid via a cashier's order. Like the first case, a scammer was keeping track of this conversation. And this time, the scammer used a purchased domain name that looked very similar to the firm's name and asked for money from the client to be sent via telegraphic transfer. The scammer went as far as impersonating the firm's secretary in emails. The client transferred funds to a Hong Kong account, but the ruse was uncovered when the firm called for payment. The police are investigating the case.
Compared to any other type of scams involving law firms, the corporate deals, they have got their own check and balances. Whereas for the retail conveyancing, they are normally first-time buyers, elderly buyers, people who are not so sophisticated. So I guess the scammers look at this as low-hanging fruits. They go for this more than any other thing.
The Law Society said it does not know if the cases are linked or where the scammers are from. A cybersecurity expert said such scams, called business email compromise, are popular with cyber criminals as they do not require deep technical expertise and are usually effective. An FBI Internet Crime Report revealed that US companies lost $1.7 billion in 2018 from such tactics.
Anytime, whether you're an individual or a business, you're experiencing a change in the account number for payment, a change in the instructions of payment, you really need to validate that and give that a little bit of extra scrutiny. There may be an aspect of urgency again to it. Obviously there's large sums of monies involved in the case of individuals, and so there definitely is a psychological aspect that's working in favor of the attacker here.
The Society has urged the public to be vigilant and to verify a sender's identity with a call.